2842 Crystal Lantern. This has been a successful townhouse area, as well as specifically this floor plan for us. So as you can see, it's a one-car garage, but you can park in the driveway here and here as well. There's no red on this curb here. We have desert landscaping in the front yard. So we'll need a deadbolt here. Jenny loves screen doors for our tenants. Open door may or may not take this deadbolt. We'll have to see what they do once it closes and possibly replace this. The front door itself, it looks like it's been recently painted, so it looks like it's in good condition. Stair railing, not so much. Maybe it can be cleaned, I'm not sure. The flooring doesn't look to be the most expensive laminate that I've ever seen. And you can see certain areas along the baseboards where there's a bit of wear and tear, but it may be okay for now. Jenny will have to decide maybe in person. These windows up top may need blinds, these do, so let's just go ahead and call that 6. The paint is white in here. This will almost certainly have to be replaced, which is fine, it's a tiny cost, but it can have a big impact on the feel of the property. Undermount sink, beautiful counters. We would need a microwave. Cabinets are looking a tiny bit rough. This might need Jenny's in-person opinion. We'll see. So we have a 3-prong outlet. So these floor plans have a side yard or a courtyard instead of a full-size backyard. Because this is a corner unit, we don't have neighbors peering over, which often we do. There is not a security bar on the door. It's a small cost to add it. We'll get Jenny's opinion on whether it's needed. Some nicks. It looks like I can see the nails on the stairs as if it was a DIY perhaps. So hello? The awesome thing about this floor plan is it has 2 masters. This bathroom needs a shower curtain rod. Upgraded fan, which is nice. Walk-in closet. Flooring's a little messed up over there. I don't know if that was because of water damage. Maybe not. It's the seller's responsibility to put that on the SRPD. So this is a slightly smaller room, but this room comes with a bathtub, and it is also considered a master. This bathroom also needs a shower rod. That's the property.